Asante Kotoko.
Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
Alright guys, welcome back to Daily Kotoko. So today we are going to be talking about Coach Kjetil Zachariassen's role with the club, the Asante Kotoko management. So apparently the management told Coach Kjetil Zachariassen to field other centre backs, especially Wahab Adam, since he hasn't been playing for a few games now. But the coach featured Samed Ibrahim, who joined the club a few days ago. I made a video about that. You can watch it here. He joined the club a few days ago, and Coach Kjetil Zachariassen decided to play him instead of other centre backs. And the club, we are not happy with this decision, and they queried him. They called him and told him that they were not happy with what he did. He was supposed to listen to the club and field the players that the club have, the registered players for the CAF Champions League. Because if you don't play them in games like this, where else will they feature? This kind of games, you have to play them to know their fitness level, to know what they can offer, if you're going to make a change in your tactics or a change in your team. So the club made it clear that they were not happy with his decision to play Samed Ibrahim in the BK Adusei Cup. Now let's talk about the BK Adusei Cup. If you've watched the highlights, you know that we have a very long way to go if we want to be a top club, the best in Africa. If we want to be the best club in Africa, we have a long way to go. It has to start very soon because time is going. I don't want to have white hair before I see Asante Kotoko win the CAF Champions League or the CAF Confederation Cup, and I want it to happen very soon. So I hope the management are putting things in order to make this become a possibility. Now the Adusei Cup, we played 0-0 in full 90 minutes and lost 3-4 on penalties. Richard Arthur, I think Mudasiru, or they missed the penalty kicks. The game wasn't that bad. Some fans are not even bothered about the scoreline because they felt it was a preparational friendly or a friendly game, so they are not too bothered. This Sunday we play House of Oak at the Babayaro Stadium, and the fans will be looking forward to that game, and they will want a very good performance, and they want to see some players. Augustine Okra, yes. Augustine Okra, a lot of fans were asking why he didn't start against Ashantigold, and when he came on in the second half, he played very well, and the fans are hoping to see him against House of Oak on Sunday. Now, I'm going to post another video later during the week as we'll preview the House of Oak game, and maybe next week we'll also preview the game against Etoile du Sahel in the CAF Champions League. So that's all for today. Till next time, guys. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video and recommend us or recommend me to your friends. So that's all for today. Till next time, guys.